And this is why life is a serious business. And a lot of what we have, a lot of the distractions, a lot of the social media, a lot of the entertainment that we have around, a lot of the ambitions and the goals that get communicated to us, that we swallowed into this machine of wealth and love of life and capitalism and consumerism. All of that is taking our attention from seeing the truth. It stops us from calling a spade and seeing things for what they are in our lives. So we are intoxicated. We're intoxicated. We don't see the truth. We don't see where we stand. So we don't take corrective steps. We don't take action to fix things with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But the price for that is going to be extreme regret and pain on the day of death. A person is going to wake up, but that will be too late. It will be too late then. So what we need to do is to take our responsibility. Take it seriously. That what our children learn, what they are exposed to, what they get fed, the influences they're going through, or that they are experiencing, we are responsible for them. We're responsible for them. You say, oh, it's the school, I can't do anything about it. It's society, I can't do anything about it. It is social media, I can't take the devices from my children. I can't deny them, access to all of this stuff. What can I do? My hands are tied. Well, you can play that game and feel good about yourself for a short while. But when the truth hits, you're going to experience a lot of pain. Don't fool yourself. Don't let shaitan fool you and blind you to the truth.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.